Hey everyone, today I'm here with a quick and easy wig twist out tutorial. So the unit I'm using is from HerGivenHair, and this is how it looks fresh out of the box. It's a highly textured shoulder length wig with this shorter hair in the front so you can rock a bang look. It has this section of lace so you can get a scalp-like look at the top of the head, and then the rest of the hair is wefted. Okay, so to get started on the style, first I'm going to wash the unit by saturating it with water and then working some shampoo in there. Once the shampoo is rinsed out, I'm going to apply some conditioner and coat all of the hair with that to get it super soft and hydrated. And I left that on for a few minutes and then I rinsed it out and wrung out the hair. Now after it's all washed and clean, I'm placing the wig on a mannequin head so I can make the twists. So I'm taking medium-sized sections of hair like this, and while I'm working, I want to make sure the hair stays damp, so I'm spritzing it with some water. Then to set the twists, I'm using gel, and I'm applying about a quarter-sized amount of that. And on top of that, to add some shine and softness, I'm using a dime-sized amount of this argan oil. Brush the section so everything is evenly distributed, and also to get out any tangles. Divide it in half, then make a 2-strand twist. And one tip for when you do this, you want to make sure there's an even split so you don't have to borrow from either side, because that'll really help keep the uniformity and definition. Next, I'm using a perm rod to curl the very end of the twist. For this style, I'm using the white and purple rods. And that twist is done. So of course, I'm continuing until the entire wig is twisted. Spray on water to dampen, apply gel, then oil on top. Brush it out. Divide it in half and 2-strand twist. Then curl the end with a perm rod. In total, I did 30 twists and then I let it air dry overnight. So the next day, once it's dry, the rods can come out. Now before I actually apply the wig, I'm first going to lay my edges with some gel. In the finished style, my edges kind of peek through, so I want to get everything smooth and sleek. Also, I was stretching my hair, so yeah, don't mind these Felicia plaits, guys. So anyway, on goes a stocking cap to get it all flat. And I'm going to go back really quick and shape my edges. And now I'm ready to put the wig on. So it comes with 2 combs on the side and 1 comb in the back, as well as an adjustable strap, which I'm tightening so it fits snug on my head. I'm placing it on right behind my hairline and then fixing those combs in place so the unit is secure. To undo the twist, I'm first coating my hands in the oil to minimize frizz, then separate by pulling apart at the top. And as you can see, they unravel really easily. Once they're all unraveled, I'm going back in and further separating the hair to get a bigger, fuller look. After separating to my liking, I'm taking a wide tooth comb and teasing the roots to get some lift and fullness. Then the last step is to shape it for the look you're going for, and this is the finished style. So this is a great protective style that's very natural looking. It has a ton of body and bounce, and I love that it gets even bigger and fuller as the days go on. It also keeps the definition very, very well. I wore this wig for a few days in a row without retwisting, and the curl stayed just as defined with no frizz, so that was awesome. And I'll have the details on this unit with a direct link, as well as info on the upcoming HerGivenHair sale right down below in the info box. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.